So will you guys sing with me on this song? You guys are gonna, your part is super simple. You're gonna represent the voice of the Holy Spirit in this song. So don't mess it up. Here it goes. Your part is like this. Peace, be still. That's all it is. Peace, be still. Let me hear you. Peace, be still. That's great. Just forgot the first line of the song. Holy Spirit. Is that?
We could consult the truth machine.
Oh yeah, I got it. Thank you. Well, I tried to be brave, but I hid in the dark. And I sat in that cave and I prayed for a spark to light up all the pain that remained in my heart. And the rain kept falling down on the roof of the church where I cried. I could hear all the laughter and love, and I tried to get up and get out. But a part of me died, and the rain kept falling down. I'm so scared if I open myself to be known, I'll be seen and despised and be left all alone. So I'm stuck in this tomb and you won't move the stone, and the rain keeps falling. Well, somewhere the sun is a light in the sky, but I'm dying in North Carolina, and I can't believe there's an end to this season of night, and the rain keeps falling down, falling down, falling down. Oh, there's a woman at home and she's praying for light. My children are there and they love me in spite of the shadow I know that they see in my eyes, and the rain keeps falling. I'm so tired of this game, of these songs of the road. I'm already ashamed of the line I just wrote, but it's true and it feels like I can't sing a note, and the rain keeps falling down, falling down, keeps falling down. Peace, be still. Peace, be still. Well, my daughter and I put the seeds in the dirt, and every day now we've been watching the earth for a sign that this death will give way to a birth, and the rain keeps falling down on the soil where the sorrow is laid, and the secret of life is igniting the grave. And I'm dying to live, but I'm learning to wait, and the rain is falling. Peace, be still. Peace, singing. Peace, I just wanna be new again. I just wanna be closer to you again. Lord, I can't find a song. I'm so tired and I'm always so wrong. I need peace, help me be brave tonight. Jesus, please help me out of this cave tonight. I've been calling and calling, but this rain just keeps falling and falling. I've been calling and calling, Lord, but this rain just keeps falling and falling. Please, is it you? Is it you? Is it true, Lord?